Hi, this is Mike from Motion Instruments, and I'm going to show you how to use the linkage tool for Windows to create a bike file that you can use in MotionIQ on your phone. So first thing to do is to go into the linkage tool and select your bike model. They have a huge library of bikes, and you can go into this tool and use the filters to find your bike multiple ways. Once you find the file, just open it up and it'll look something like this file I have here. So this file has all the data that we need to figure out how the rear axle movement is related to the angle of these pivots on your suspension. So to generate the file, you need to select one of these pivot points. And it's different for every bike, so this depends on how you're going to mount the angle sensor to your bike. So you have to go through that process first, and then you'll know which pivot point to use. So once you know the pivot point, go into this file and hover your mouse over the pivot point, and it'll show a name. So this pivot is called rocker fixed pivot. This one is called shock I1. So find the name of the pivot you want, rocker fixed pivot in this case, and then go over here and click on Export, then click on Motion Instruments Bike, and you're going to select that pivot point from this list here. So I'm going to fix the rocker fixed pivot. You can leave the travel step to the default value, 1 millimeter, and hit OK. And we're going to generate a file. You can name it whatever you need to, whatever works for you, it doesn't matter. I'm going to call it Trek. Just going to replace that file. And now we have the file on my desktop. Now, once you have the file, you need to get that file over to your phone. Probably the easiest way is to just send it by email, but you can use any method that works for you. Once you get the file on your phone, open it up on your phone and tap Share, and you'll see a list of apps, and tap on MotionIQ and it will import into MotionIQ, and that's the process.